everyone, Uncle Jesse here. As some of you might know, I've had a long-standing Captain America shield in the background of almost all of my videos here on this channel, and today it's time for a massive upgrade. Now, the one most of you are probably most familiar with seeing in my videos is the one that I've had in the backdrop of my old studio and now in the new studio here. This is from Hasbro Labs. This is Hasbro's version of the Captain America shield. It's nice, but it's just all plastic and it honestly doesn't look that great. I mean, it's great for, it's serving its purpose, but I've always wanted something much nicer than this. And some of you really long-term viewers might remember my all-metal shield that I used to have up in the very backdrop of my old backdrop that I had. This is an all-metal Captain America shield that I made from a sled, and it took a lot of work and was a huge pain in the rear end to cut down a metal sled, strip it from its paint, sand everything down, get it painted, multiple iterations of painting. It was such a painful process. I ended up recording all of that and never ended up posting it. I then used some sheet metal and cut out the star for the center here, and it's not even glued down properly. It's just loose on the edges. And then the back, it's, yeah, there's nothing back here, and it's just starting to rust and rot away. So again, this is kind of a cool little display piece. And as you can see here, much more metallic looking on this one than this plastic one here from Hasbro. Now this is what I'm talking about. Now, I haven't seen this, I haven't opened it yet, and I am so friggin' excited to see this shield because it should be pretty dang near screen accurate and a most realistic looking shield. Oh, thank you for the stickers. Oh, this is also really nice. Comic Sandwiches sent along a shield care guideline card with different cleaning instructions on what to use and what not to use on the shield when it comes to cleaning it. We got some protective padding here to make sure everything arrived safely. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I need to carefully, oh my goodness, this is freaking rad. Holy cow. Check this out. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. This ain't plastic, baby. Oh my goodness. And the star is etched into the shield. This isn't like a piece of sheet metal glued on top of the shield. This is wild. It's got some nice weight to it as well. And the back is properly finished. We've got leather straps, this whole buckle system here. There is an emblem here. I'm honestly like borderline shaking. I'm so excited about this. This is unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. The straps on the back are also adjustable, so I can make them, it looks like wider or tighter. Try to do that Captain America Endgame pose there. Pulling that really tight. This is hands down the coolest thing that I now have in my collection of replica props. This is amazing. I honestly just can't get over how beautiful the craftsmanship is of this. This is just milled, I'm assuming aluminum, steel. I'm not entirely sure. I need to go on there and check out the description on the website exactly what it was. And I believe Grayson, who is the owner of the company there, is sending along some videos of how some of the shields are actually produced. And by the way, they don't only just sell Captain America versions of this, they sell all the different color variants and other shield options out there as well, like Wonder Woman shields and all sorts of other wild, you know, just heavy duty, crazy, hyper realistic replica props. This is, oh my gosh, I so want to throw this, but there's no way I'm going to throw this. This is now going to be the crown jewel of my display here. This is no longer should just be mounted on the table behind me. It should actually be like hanging on the wall. So I think that's what I'm gonna be looking into doing here, is making some sort of a wall hanging option for this. I also really like that the brackets here on the back, I don't know if this is by design or what, but it's perfectly set up so that I should be able to hang it, and it will, by the straps on the back, and it should, you know, the star will be pointing up, which is really cool. If you are interested in grabbing one of these for yourself, I'll have links down below to Comic Sandwich's website. This is such an incredible shield, and I'm like just in awe of how amazing this is. Again, if you're interested in one of these, I'll have links to that down below. Not cheap, but well worth the price. And speaking of, just to give you some comparison, I think I have 3 Captain America shields in total, and I've probably spent close to what this would have cost, and I would have much rather have just bought this here than those 3 other Cap shields that I have. I did want to say a big thank you to Grayson over at Comic Book Sandwiches for sending this along to me to show off to you all here. Again, if you are interested in one of those for yourself, I'll have links down below. That is hands down the coolest replica prop that I now have in my shop. This is just, it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Now that I've got that shield, I think I might end up doing some battle damage work to these other shields that I have here on hand. Might end up cutting this one up and might end up scratching this one like Black Panther attacked it here, like in Civil War. Hey, but I want to say thanks again for watching, you all. Let me know what you think of the shield and the collection here now. I have a collection of Cap shields now. It's pretty cool. But I just want to say thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.